Alright, I just wanted to showcase a little 5-minute project I've been working on whilst I'm impatient about waiting for the keys to my new house that I'm moving to. These little things can be had for very little dollars. These are an ESP32C board with a tiny little OLED display on them. I've set this one up to connect to Bluetooth as a shutter button. I'm not sure if you've ever seen them. I think I have one spare. So what I'm talking about are these. These are little like selfie shutter buttons you used to be able to buy quite a while ago. And they run off a CR232 battery. These are nice. But I'm out and about and I travel a lot. So what I decided I'd do is I'd make this a selfie shutter. It connects via Bluetooth. It comes up pretty much the same as one of these guys. But it has two distinctions. I've programmed on the first function here, when you push it just once, it double presses the power button, which on the Samsung Galaxy phones can be set to open the camera, even when it's locked. Then it waits 3 seconds and takes a photo. If you push and hold the user button, it should then go into a time-lapse mode, which what it's running now, and it waits 10 seconds between taking photos. So if I happen to be out in the field, I've just got my little shoulder bag that has my basic set of tools. I can pull this out, plug it into a battery bank or a phone charger, and I have instant time-lapse set up that can use the night mode in the pro camera mode of the Galaxy phones, which is better than most of the time-lapse apps. I can also stay in bed, have the phone outside on a battery bank, set up in the correct position, and if I look at the aurora conditions, roll over and go, hey, the conditions are up, I can wake it up with one press, and then I can push and hold and it goes into time-lapse mode, and then I get really nice high-resolution, long exposure aurora time-lapses or stars or whatever else I happen to be doing. So it makes like an emergency filming kit. So if this works well, we'll have much better photos in the future. Now, it's a little bit hard to see here, but I'm monitoring this from inside on the CCTV cameras. There's my phone sitting on the 8x8 out there at the moment, and you'll see the little dot there that's changing. That means it's taking photos. So we're going to let this run for a little bit and see what happens. But I saw one of these things and I'm like, I really want to hide that in my wallet. And for record, my wallet is made out of acrylic. There's a couple of little modules in here that I don't use very often, like this little LED unit. So I might rebuild this later on with a spot for this little thingy. And then, so if I'm out and about with just my phone and my wallet, I can do some night time lapse. Because every time I see the aurora conditions up, I don't always have my gear with me.
1 hour later.
Alright, we're nearly an hour in, and yeah, we're still watching it take photos out there. So pretty much once I bring that in, we'll give you a short clip and probably be around about 10 seconds of time lapse, and we'll see what you reckon. But anyway, hope it was a nifty project. We'll see you in the next one.